I got another quick update and a pretty big order today, so let's get down to it. I fucking forgot my knife again. This order is from Canadian Gundam store, which, as you can guess, is a Canadian store. I found via their YouTube page, and they're over there in Hamilton. It's a nice looking group of people over there. It's what do you call it? It's like a small local business. It's actually, I think, relatively new, based on what I saw from the channel. And I liked their content, and I liked what they had in stock. So I decided to buy from them, and I got some very cool things here. Oh yeah, look at this. This is like up to the top of just stuff. So I got some model effect parts that give my kids some like dynamic exploding poses and stuff, fiery effects, flying effects, and I got cool stickers from them. We got, I think, a GM Sniper 2 or 3 with their logo on it. We've got Heavy Arms, Endless Waltz company sticker. So they do sell those. Oh, and I got all the other stickers too. So they're like been around long enough where they have some kind of deal where they have stickers in their line. Frame rate's getting a little fuzzy. So there's the OG Gundam RX-78-2 sticker. Here's a Barbados Lupus sticker. So that's cool. I'll definitely frame them around. And I got cards for the YouTube channel. I'm not sure if I can do anything else with these, but that's cool. And then, whoa! Some more effect parts. I didn't know they came in boxes like this. That's cool. There's probably some assembly level inquired. So those will be cool for like posing when I have things facing off. And now we have actual kits. So in case you've been wondering, I finally got the fake new Gundam weapons. Could have gotten them from anywhere else, but I decided to get them for this order. This is part of a future kit that'll probably be coming up in another small order like what we got in part 2. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actual kits. And then for number 6, we have this fun little Kirby figurine. Couldn't resist. Kirby is awesome, especially once you learn the dark lore of the Antimatter trilogy. Kirby lore. Whoa, that's crazy. So what do we have here? Oh, cool. This SD figure of the is it GP03? GP03, yeah, armor system. I saw it as an SD figure, and I'm like, this is such a ridiculously stupid piece of armor. I wouldn't want to own a full scale version, so let's get an SD version of it. I think this is around $13. So that's fun. It'll probably go nicely with my other kit. I'm going to save this one for last or second last. Mobile Doll May to go along with another kit. I'll probably end up building them in like the same month or something. I don't know, because I still need to do the first video. Getting all these kits and stuff. Still haven't done the first video. Mobile Doll May, very cool. Nice there's nice articulation, beam effect parts and stuff. So I don't exactly have time to open all these boxes today, because there's just so much to show and I'm trying to make it quick. Kamiki Burning Gundam. It's kind of the inspiration for me to get the extra effect parts. Cool shit there. And then a little bit out of the norm for me. I heard some cool things about it. It's not exactly perfect, but there's not a whole lot to go on when it comes to getting Strike Freedom. So I went for the real grade, because this is kind of the newest version that exists, even though it's from all the way back in like 2013. And it does have a golden inner frame, although it's probably like a cheap plastic gold. And then this I saw on their kit is an exclusive kind of thing. I'm not sure where they got it from, but can't really get it anywhere else. So this is the Azeroth Rinson with metal coating. So normally it would come in like a white-blue sort of mix match, but this is supposed to be like an all-gray version. This is from the IBO, like a spin-off series book. So I can't wait to get into that. I'll probably try and do this as quickly as I can, just because it's so like unique and rare. And yeah, that's really it for this order. It's mostly effect parts and just a lot of kits and stuff, which kind of leads into a personal issue that I think I've rectified, but I'm probably going to have to speed up my development of these kits. I'll probably still only release one video of it a month, and maybe I could still do a voting system of, let's say I build all of these kits in like one day or something, and then I'm like, okay, which video do you want to see first? Maybe that's what it's going to come down to. But it's a lot of thinking and not a lot of doing, because we still haven't done the first video yet. But it's very important to me that I get the things that I want before it becomes like a whole logistical issue of where am I going to put these things, which I've already come up with an answer for, but that's aside the point. So hopefully you enjoyed the development of the collection we have going on here and are interested in further stuff. Let me know in the comments things you want to see first. I'm not going to have a voting poll set up yet. Probably. Maybe I'll just throw one down here because I can hold off on releasing the video. But yeah, that's it. That's really cool stuff for me, and thanks again for watching. Ooh. So let me know how you feel in the comment section below and in other videos we do. You know, just because it's this video doesn't mean you can't comment on another video. Hey, what's going on with the stuff? And yeah, again, thank you for your time, and until next time, keep on dreaming. Poutine out. Peace.